We continue with exercise 9.1. Question number 6. Which of the following represents the same rational number? Which of the following represents the same rational number? First one, negative 7 by 21 and 3 by 9. Whether they are same, whether they represent the same rational number. Now all of a sudden you can say the answer no. Can you say why? So negative 7 by 21 is a negative rational number. Negative 7 by 21. It is a negative rational number. Negative rational number. And 3 by 9, it is a positive rational number. So whether they will represent the same rational number? No. Okay. So the answer is no. These two are not equal. Now second one, negative 16 by 20 and 20 by negative 25. The first one is negative 16 by 20 and the second one 20 by negative 25. Both are negative rational numbers. So we have to look into whether they will represent, these two will represent the same rational number. So what we have to do is, you have to reduce the given rational number to the standard form. Reduce to the standard form. Then negative 16 by 20. Negative 16 by 20. How can you reduce to the standard form? You have to make the denominator positive. Here the denominator is positive. And again you have to find out a common factor. That means highest common factor for a numerator and denominator, and after that divide both numerator and denominator by the highest common factor. So which is the highest common factor for a 16 and 20? Which number we can take? 4. Okay. So we can divide both the numerator and denominator by 4. So HCF of 16 and 20, HCF of 16 and 20 is 4. Then negative 4 by 5. So the first rational number is reduced to negative 4 by 5. Now the second one. First you have to make the denominator positive. So how can you make it into positive? Multiply both numerator and denominator by negative 1. Then into negative 1. So we will get it as a negative 20 by 25. Now for 20 and 25. So which is the highest common factor? For 20 and 25. 5. So we can divide both the numerator and denominator by 5. So negative 4 by 5. Now look at that, the first rational number when we reduce to the standard form or the lowest form, we can say it is a negative 4 by 5, and the second one also we reduced and we got it as negative 4 by 5. So what we can say? Whether these two rational numbers represent the same rational number? Yes. So negative 16 by 20 and 20 by negative 25 represents the same rational number. Or we can say that when we reduce to the lowest form, we got the same rational number. Then next one, negative 2 by negative 3 and 2 by 3. Negative 2 by negative 3, the denominator is a negative, so we can make it as positive. So multiplying both numerator and denominator by negative 1. So 2 by 3. So we know that negative 2 by negative 3 is same as which one? 2 by 3. So what we can say that they will represent the same rational number. So negative 2 by negative 3 is equal to 2 by 3. They will represent the same rational number. Then fourth one, negative 3 by 5 and negative 12 by 20. negative 3 by 5 and negative 12 by 20. Then negative 3 by 5. So can you make the denominator of negative 3 by 5 as 20? What we have to do? We have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. So we got it as negative 12 by 20. So look at that. Negative 12 by 20 is an equivalent rational number for which one? Negative 3 by 5. So if you multiply both numerator and denominator by 4, we got negative 12 by 20. So negative, what we can say? Negative 3 by 5 and negative 12 by 20 represent the same rational number. Negative 3 by 5 and negative 12 by 20 represent the same rational number. Or we can do it in another way also. Negative 12 by 20 you reduce to the lowest form. So negative 12 by 20. So we can divide both the numerator and denominator. When we divide it by 2, we will get it as a negative 6 by 10. And if you divide again with the 2, so we will get it as a negative 3 by 5. So if you want negative 12 by 20, you can reduce to the lowest form. We got it as negative 3 by 5. Or you can find out an equivalent rational number for negative 3 by 5. And if you are getting it as a negative 12 by 20. So here we got it as negative 12 by 20. So what we can say, whether these two rational numbers are same? Yes, they are same. Next one, question number 8. Fill in the box with the correct symbol out of, greater than, less than and equal to. So you have to fill in the box with the symbols, either the greater than symbol, less than symbol or equal to sign. So what we have to do? We have to compare these two rational numbers. So that is the meaning of the question. We have to compare. Now look at the first one, negative 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. Can you say which one is the bigger one? Here 2 by 3 is the bigger one. Why? 2 by 3 is a positive rational number and negative 5 by 7 is a negative rational number. If a positive rational number and a negative rational number are given, a positive rational number is always greater than the negative rational number. So we can say that negative 5 by 7 is less than 2 by 3. Negative 5 by 7 is less than 2 by 3. Now second one, negative 4 by 5 and negative 5 by 7. You have to compare. So we have to find out how we can do the comparison. We have to find out the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 5 and 7. So what is the LCM of 5 and 7? 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Therefore negative 4 by 5 is equal to negative 4 by 5 into 7. We have to make the denominator as a 35. So we have to multiply with the 7. So negative 28 by 35. Then the next one, negative 5 by 7 equal to negative 5 by 7 into. So we have to make the denominator as 35. So 7 into 5. Then therefore negative 5 also into 5. Negative 25 by 35. Therefore we have to compare negative 28 by 35 and negative 25 by 35. So here the denominators are same. So look at the numerators, negative 28 and negative 25. Which one is bigger? Negative 25. Okay, so negative 28 is less than negative 25. That means negative 28 by 35 is less than negative 25 by 35. And negative 28 by 35 represent the rational number negative 4 by 5. So negative 4 by 5 is less than negative 5 by 7, or negative 5 by 7 is the bigger one. So we can put the symbol negative 4 by 5 is less than. Negative 4 by 5 is less than negative 5 by 7. Third question. Negative 7 by 8 and 14 by negative 16. Negative 7 by 8 and the other one is 14 by negative 16. So, here the denominators are same, denominators are different. So, we can take the LCM, we can find out the equivalent rational numbers and we can compare it. Okay, so that way we can use it. And another way of doing is, the first one is negative 7 by 8. Second one can be reduced to the lowest form if it is possible. Look at that. 14 by negative 16 we can write as, make the denominator positive. So, you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by negative 1. So, you will get it as a negative 14 by 16. Now, reduce to the lowest form then. So, we can divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So, we will get negative 7 by 8. Now, 14 by negative 16, when we reduce to the lowest form, we will get it as negative 7 by 8. And the left hand side what is given? Negative 7 by 8. So, negative 7 by 8 and 14 by negative 16. What type of rational numbers? What we can say? They are equal. So, equal to each other. Therefore, negative 7 by 8 is equal to 14 by negative 16. Now, next one. Negative 8 by 5 and negative 7 by 4. So, already in the reduced form. Okay, so we cannot do anything. So, how can you compare these two rational numbers? We have to find out the LCM. So, LCM of 5 and 4. So, what is the LCM of 5 and 4? 5 into 4 equal to 20. Therefore, negative 8 by 5 we can write in terms of 20, we have to write 5 into 4. So, you have to multiply numerator also with 4, negative 32 by 20. Similarly, negative 7 by 4 equal to negative 7 by 4 into 5. So, it is a negative 35 by 20. Therefore, negative 32 by 20 and negative 35 by 20. Look at the numerators, negative 32 and negative 35. Which one is the biggest one? Negative 32 is greater than negative 35. So, negative 32 by 20 is greater than negative 35 by 20. And negative 32 by 20 corresponds to negative 8 by 5. So, negative 8 by 5 is greater than negative 7 by 4. So, we can use the symbol greater than symbol. Negative 8 by 5 is greater than negative 7 by 4. Now, homework, exercise 9.1, question number 6, 5, 6 and 7. And question number 7, 5, 6 and 7. That's all for today's class. Thank you.